Hello everyone.
We are the students of SR University and we are here to tell you about the historic place, the Thousand Pillars, in this documentary video. Myself, Nishant Weber, and my team
My name is Shivu Kumar Singh.
My name is Shad Imam.
And my name is MD Rayan.
is here to tell you about the importance and many more things about this Thousand Pillar.
To speak about one of the most famous and the beautiful historical place in Telangana, the Thousand Pillar Temple in Warangal. The temple is not only a place of worship but also a great example of ancient India architecture and engineering. It shows how talented and intelligent our ancient were. The temple is located in Hanamkonda near Warangal, Telangana. It is one of the most famous historical monuments in our state. In this video, I will tell you about the history of this temple, who built it, its architecture, special features and its importance in today's world. So be connected in
The
our
Thousand
video.
Pillar Temple is very important because it shows the glory of a Katya dynasty. It is a symbol of Telangana pride. It attracts tourists. It teaches us about our history. It also helps students like us to understand ancient culture and architecture. For the people of Telangana, it is not just a temple but a symbol of tradition and identity. If we talk about the Thousand Pillar is one of the greatest historical movements in Telangana. It was built more than 850 years ago, but it still stands. It teaches us about the history, culture, art and engineering. Thank you.
front of Shiva temple, there is a big statue of Nandi, which is the vehicle of Lord Shiva. Nandi statue is made from single black stone. The statue is very smooth and shiny. It's looking like a real and peaceful. When we see it, we can understand how talented the sculpture were during this time.
The temple was built in the year 1163 AD. It was constructed during the rule of great Kakatiya king Rudradev. The Kakatiya dynasty ruled over Telangana and many parts of Andhra Pradesh for many years. It is also known as Rudeshwara temple because it is mainly devoted to Lord Shiva. Even after many years, the temple still stands strong. This shows how the great Indian dish shows the strength of Indian ancient construction techniques.
Now let us talk about the architecture of the temple. The Thousand Pillar Temple is famous for its beautiful carvings and detailed design. As the name says, it has 1,000 pillars, but actually it does not have exactly 1,000 separate pillars. Thus name is symbolic. It means the temple has many beautifully carved pillars. The temple is built in the shape of a star. This star-shaped design make it very special. The temple has three main shrines, one for Lord Shiva, one for Lord Vishnu, and one for Lord Sun God.
One interesting thing about this temple of its engineering. The pillars are placed in such a way that the temple remains balanced and strong. The carvings includes flowers, animals, dancer, mythological stories. Even without the modern machines, the worker created such a beautiful structure. This shows that ancient India has advanced knowledge in architecture, mathematics, engineering. Thank you everyone for being with us throughout the video. We hope you enjoyed our video.